Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and change AOL Mail theme. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, I'm assuming that you're already logged into your AOL Mail and already in this page right over here. If you're not, simply go ahead and search for AOL on any browser that you prefer. Click on the first link, go ahead and make sure you're logged into your account and click on Mail on the top right and you'll be on this page. Now all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on this setting tab right over here, and this is where you can select your theme. So you can select your color, half and half. You can also go ahead and select your light theme, your medium theme, or even your dark theme, right? You can also go ahead and select your message layout, inboxing, and many more. If you want to do more, just click on settings, more settings, and just select a theme that you prefer right over here. So let me just go ahead and select one as well. So for example, that is a good one, and I can go back. Now that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.